Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session, and this is continuation video of loops in C programming and it is part 15. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss continue statement. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss this continue statement. So continue statement is also a keyword in C programming, just like break statement. So the continue statement skips the current iteration of the loop and control automatically passes to the beginning of the loop. The continue statement is always used with if-else statement inside the loop. So guys, now let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of this continue statement. So guys, this is the syntax of continue statement. So here we are going to use a continue keyword and then simply put semicolon after the continue keyword. So guys, now let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program we will learn about continue statement. So this continue statement will be executed if this condition is true, and it will skip rest of the code and control will transfer automatically to the beginning of the loop. So initially in the for loop of I have initialized I by 1 and 1 less than 3. So this condition is true, and now control will transfer to the loop of j. So I have also initialized j by 1 and 1 less than 3. So this condition is also true, and then it will check this condition. So 1 equals to 1. So this condition will be true, and then it will execute this continue statement. So this continue statement will skip rest of the code. So j++ will be executed. So the value of j will be 2, and now it will again check this condition. So 2 less than 3. So this condition will be true, and now it will again check this condition. So 1 equals to 2. Now this condition will be false, and then it will print the statement from the else block. So basically it will print the value of I and j. So the value of I and j will be 1 and 2. And now j++ will be executed. So the value of j will be 3. Then it will check this condition. So 3 less than 3. Now this condition is false. Now control will come out from this j loop and I++ will be executed. So the value of I will be 2, and it will again check this condition. So 2 less than 3. Now this condition is true. Then control will transfer to the for loop of j, and the value of j is 1 and 1 less than 3. So now this condition will be true, and now it will check this condition. So the value of I is 2 and the value of j is 1. So this condition will be false, and then it will print the value of I and j, and that will be 2 and 1. And then j++ will be executed. So the value of j will be 2 and 2 less than 3. So this condition will be true, and then it will check this condition. So the value of I and j are 2. So this condition will be true. Then it will execute this continue statement. So this continue statement will skip rest of the code and control will transfer to the beginning of the loop. So the value of j will be incremented by 1. So the value of j will be 3 and 3 less than 3. Now this condition is false. So control will come out from this j loop, and then I++ will be executed. So the value of I will be 3 and 3 less than 3. Now this condition is false. So control will come out from the I loop. So guys, now if I run this program, it is printing the value of I and j 1 and 2 and 2 and 1. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.